Hello everybody, this is Kathy and this is what I love about Northampton, and I am live from the front of my pickup truck with my intern, shut the garage door please, Michael, who is doing some snow plowing. So I'm going to give you the snow plow report from Leeds. As you can see, it's beautiful up here. We are training this young man to plow. I wouldn't go out in a Prius today. I'd go out in a snow plow, a big heavy GMC pickup truck. Ooh, there's a lot of snow on that plow. You might get stuck. It's a lot of snow. It's pretty. I think you need to go a little faster, honey. So we're heading down the driveway and we're gonna head out into Audubon Road. Michael has to work at State Street today. Say hi. Stop. He says stop. We might get stuck. There's a lot of snow, and I already snow plowed earlier this morning, so it's pretty bad out here. So back to me. This is really kind of fun. Michael's learning how to drive the plow. I'm riding co-pilot, so we're being safe here. And we're going to go out on the Audubon Road and see what that looks like. Almost there. I'll take this off of me. I'm sure people would rather see. Just push it to the side, and when I come home tonight, now lift up the plow, make sure there's no traffic, and head out into the road.
I gotta back up.
Oh, he's got to back up.
Literally, what do you mean push it to the side?
That's
Stop
fine.
fucking being on Facebook and tell me where the fuck to push it.
Okay, and just go that way. There we go. All right, we're heading out on Audubon Road.
Am I just gonna drive over that?
Just drive through it. And away we go. So, Audubon Road looks pretty good. Slow down, honey. So, be safe out there today.